Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you an update on the Maypen to Mandeville leg of Highway 2000. Now this is the Melrose Hill bypass, and this is in Manchester. So from Maypen to Clarendon Park, the highway is going to run south of the existing roadway. And now this is actually a new alignment because the highway was to run north of Clarendon Park. But it was decided to do it this way, or use a new alignment, so that it doesn't go through the major towns and you don't have to displace a lot of homes. So this new route was decided upon. So from Clarendon Park, it goes over the hill and comes out by the Melrose Hill bypass. So right here, what you're looking at now is where the highway comes over the hill and comes and merges with the Melrose Hill bypass. Today is a rainy day, but that intersection has caused a lot of discussion because you have two lanes for Highway 2000, and then you have two lanes for the Melrose Hill bypass, and the four lanes somehow are going to merge into two lanes right there. Now people have been saying we should wait until the lines are put in, but there is not enough space at that intersection for four lanes, and there is no indication that the lanes are, so two lanes from the highway will merge into one, or the two lanes from Melrose Hill will merge into one, because they have built four lanes. So that spot is definitely something they need to look back at. All right, so this highway is a part of, it's Highway 2000, but the project that funds it is the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project Phase 1. Now, when you hear the name Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project, people automatically think of the highway from Harborview to Portland. I'm not sure, but this is how they funded it. The money that they got was $348 million US to do the projects, and it came from the China Exim Bank. So I guess they just put all the projects in one so they could get one loan. Now, as you can see, this road is, what they're doing with the Melrose Hill bypass is upgrading it to four lanes. It's going to be a dual carriageway. So you can see what the road is going to look like here. A very nice road. Now, the good thing about the Melrose Hill bypass is you don't have to pay toll to use it. Highway 2000 is a toll road. So from Kingston to the entrance on the Melrose Hill bypass, you're going to have to pay toll. But when you get onto the section with the Melrose Hill bypass, you don't have to pay toll. But once you come off the Melrose Hill bypass, you're going back onto a toll road. Okay, so from Kingston to Maypen, you have two toll plazas, one at Vineyards, one at Maypen. And then this new section that's being built actually goes from the Maypen roundabout to Williamsfield. But you only have one additional toll plaza, which will be in Tollgate. So from Kingston to Mandeville, the journey is now going to be 45 minutes. And from Maypen to Mandeville, it's going to be 15 minutes. All right, so this project now, the Maypen to Mandeville section, it cost $188.5 million US, and it was to be completed in March 2023, but the new completion date is August 2023, and based on all indications, they will meet that deadline. And it has 48 engineers, 18 of which are Jamaican, and it has 754 workers, 603 of which are Jamaican. And the new segment of the highway begins at the western end of the existing Maypen roundabout. It continues in a westerly direction across the Rio Mino, and the route continues in a westerly direction passing south of Bustamante Highway. It passes south of Four Paths, Osborne Store, Tollgate, and Clarendon Park. Then heads into St. Tools and continues through the hilly terrain. And then it comes out by the Melrose Hill bypass. And the existing Melrose Hill bypass will be incorporated into the new alignment. And it will be upgraded from 2 to 4 lanes, and it will become a 4-lane dual carriageway. And then the road crosses the train lines and terminates just east of the steel bridge in the vicinity of the Williamsfield roundabout. So basically you're going to go from the new section from the Maypen roundabout to the Williamsfield roundabout. Very nice road, and I must say this section of the project seems to be going a lot smoother than the other section, because the section from Harborview to Mandeville, when you drive on that section, you don't see as much work, because you don't see as much activity as this section. Now, this, to build the road from Maypen to Mandeville is 28 kilometers. And the last official report said it was over 94% complete. Or 94% complete. So this section should definitely finish by August. Now, one thing that is very peculiar, or interesting, I should say, is that they're building a Maypen interchange so you can get on and off the highway by close to Glenmuir Drive without having to go through a toll plaza. But the original design of the highway never had this entrance or exit, basically this interchange. So I'm not sure what happened there, because the existing Maypen exit and entrance, if you're coming from Mandeville, you don't have an exit to Maypen, the existing one now, not the new one, the one that's in place. So where would you exit to go into Maypen if you're coming from Mandeville? When you're coming from Kingston going to Mandeville, there is an exit for Maypen on that side of the road. I'm not sure, but the good thing is they have put it in, and it's coming along. We have videos up of the construction of the interchange, so you can check it out. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour with us today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. We will give you updates on this project, the Maypen to Mandeville leg of the highway, every week between now and August, which is 6 weeks away, so that everybody can see what's going on with the finishing of this road. But we normally give you updates every 2 weeks, so remember to like, share, and subscribe. We give you updates every